Hi tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of crazy home gadgets. Get ready to be amazed and maybe even a little confused by these innovative contraptions. The Google Nest Hub is like your personal assistant but cooler. It's a great digital photo frame with ambient light sensing and adaptive color. I have been using it for over 2 years now, and it is my favorite gadget at home. I use it to stream YouTube videos, listen to Spotify, hear news, and control my smart lights. It is an all-in-one tool. Very, very useful. You can also get an Amazon Echo Show or something else, but I am a huge fan of Google when it comes to artificial intelligence. Imagine a mirror that's not just a mirror. The Capstone touchscreen smart mirror is the ultimate accent accessory to the walls of your home. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Mirrors are too common. How about a smart mirror that runs on Android, has a touch display and inbuilt speakers? Meet ThinCast. Unlike many other smart mirrors on the market, this one uses Android OS, which means you can install any Android app on this mirror. Who knew sprinklers could be smart? The Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller offers an impressive variety of useful features, and its app is a delight to use. If you like the idea of hassle-free watering, or you're a conservative water user, the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller is an excellent smart home tool. This 8-zone sprinkler connects to the solenoids in your home so that you can water different zones as per your liking. Tired of manually opening and closing your curtains? The SwitchBot Smart Curtain Robot has got you covered. It's like having your own personal curtain butler. SwitchBot is a cool gadget that can make any curtain smart. I have been using this gadget for more than 6 months now, and I am loving it. SwitchBot is wireless, smart, and super convenient to use. Using this smart home accessory is very simple. Coming to the features, this gadget connects to your smartphone through which you can control your curtain. You can set schedules so that the bot will automatically open or close the curtain at the specified time. Stay ahead of the weather with the Tempest Wi-Fi connected weather system. It's like having your own personal meteorologist, but without the boring small talk. The Tempest weather system is a comprehensive and accurate way to monitor the weather conditions in your area. This high-tech home device gives you short-time updates on temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, UV index, rainfall, lightning, and wind speed. The Amazon Smart Programmable Thermostat is here to make your home the perfect temperature without you having to lift a finger. Well, maybe just one finger to adjust the settings. A smart thermostat is a must-have if you want to have better control of your home's heating and cooling system. Not only is this smart home gadget budget-friendly, but it's also easy to install and use. These shades are so smart, they practically raise and lower themselves. The Graywind Smart Motorized Shades are the future of window coverings. This is, without a doubt, one of the coolest smart home devices on this list. Not only because it makes your home look great, but also because it makes your life a whole lot easier. Yes, even your trash can be smart now. The Townew T1. Smart Trash conceals and changes the trash bag for you. It's like having a personal janitor for your kitchen. The first smart feature that I am going to talk about is self-sealing capability. With the click of a button, this smart trash can automatically seals the bag and gets it ready to dispose of. All you have to do is pick it up and throw it away. The Moen Smart Kitchen Faucets. These faucets are so smart, they practically wash your dishes for you. Okay, maybe not, but they're still pretty cool. Moen has tens of varieties of smart faucets, but the smart ones stand apart. Especially the ones with motion sensors. The gesture control is quite amazing. You wave your hand over the sensor and the faucet is on. Say goodbye to keys with the UltraLock UL300 multi-point smart door lock. This revolutionary lock offers entry via biometric fingerprint identification, contactless key fob, code, or your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone. UTEX UL300 is a smart door lock for your home office or anything that needs advanced security. This door lock has a stainless steel multi-point lock option with more than 2 locking mechanisms for advanced safety. The lock has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi options. The Sync Smart Toggle Switch is perfect for those who want to control their lights with their voice or phone. It's easy to install and works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Not only is this switch affordable, but it's also easy to use once installed. The installation itself is a DIY process that you can complete on your own. or with a little assistance from a professional. Once your switch is in place, it will work with any bulb so that you can control your lights even when you are away from home. Apart from that, you can set schedules so that your lights turn on and off automatically. And that's not all. The EcoFlow Delta Pro is a whole home backup power solution that can run your home for up to a week. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and easy to install. EcoFlow Delta Pro offers an output power of 3,600 watt, which is massive. If I roam around my house and note down all the devices rated over 3,600 watt power, I may find the HVAC system. Window and portable ACs are well under 3, 5K, and the electric water heater. That's it. Everything else, including the electric stove, dryer, fridge, etc., are under the 3.6 kilowatt mark. The Govee Glide Smart LED wall light bar is perfect for gamers and movie lovers. It's easy to install and can be controlled with your phone or voice assistant. But there is a problem with these strip lights. They are not so modular. I mean, can you make different shapes from them? Probably no. That is exactly when these modular block lights come into the picture. One of the most popular brands is Nanoleaf, but there are so many cheaper and better alternatives too. One of them is Govee Glide Lights. The Flume 2 smart water monitor and leak detector can help you save money on your water bill and prevent water damage. It can detect leaks and monitor your water usage in real time. The Flume 2 is a 24/7 smart leak detector that is designed to give you peace of mind as far as your home's water usage is concerned. So if your bills are telling a tale that you just can't comprehend, this is one of the best smart gadgets for you. The Eufy RoboVac G10 Hybrid is a self-charging robotic vacuum that can clean your floors and carpets with ease. It's easy to use and can be controlled with your phone or voice assistant. First off, you don't need to monitor the power utilization on this gadget because it is a self-charging robotic vacuum. Hence, it immediately recharges when the power runs out for continued cleaning of the floor. Thanks to the Equipped 2, one hybrid vacuum and mop, it provides both deep and light cleaning. The Rega 65 inches smart ceiling fan and light combo is perfect for those who want to control their fan and light with their voice or phone. It's easy to install and works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Smart devices are taking over, haha. Even the fans have become smart now. In this article, we shall see a high-quality smart fan with a dimming LED light. This fan from Rega works with Google Assistant or Alexa. The Nest wireless doorbell camera is perfect for those who want to keep an eye on their front door. It can detect motion and send alerts to your phone, and you can even talk to visitors through the camera. As the successor to Google Nest. Hello, the Nest wireless doorbell camera is one of the best doorbell cameras you can buy. It features 960 x 1280 30th FPS resolution video, night vision, and a 145-degree viewing angle. Just like its predecessor, the installation process is very straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. The Casa Smart Dimmer Switch is perfect for those who want to control their lights with their voice or phone. It's easy to install and works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. This smart switch is quite similar to the Sync Smart Switch that we talked about earlier. The main difference is that this one comes with a dimmer function. Unlike the Sync switch that offers a neutral or no neutral wire option, this one requires a neutral wire for installation. Keep in mind that it will also only be functional in a single pole setup only. Gadget 20. BedJet 3. Climate Comfort Sleep System for Bed. The BedJet 3 Climate Comfort Sleep System for Bed is perfect for those who want to sleep comfortably all year round. It can cool or heat your bed and can be controlled with your phone or voice assistant. Bed temperature is one of the main reasons why some people struggle to sleep quickly. When it happens to me, I go turn down my AC temperature, but it is not a solution for everyone. What if your bed could get a gadget that could not only cool it, but also heat it up when needed? The BedJet 3 Climate Comfort Sleep System is a device that can do it. With these gadgets, your home will be the envy of all your friends and family. And there you have it, folks. The top 20 crazy gadgets for your home. Whether you're a tech junkie or just someone who loves a little convenience, there's something for everyone in the world of smart home gadgets.
Thank you very much for watching till the very end. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to TechMap for more such videos. See you soon.